Hello and welcome to our how-to video on the Milestone Loader. One of the ways we can clone milestones from different projects is to use the Milestone Loader. With the Milestone Loader, you're able to select and load in multiple milestones in one go, including all of their actions, contributors, and checklist items. For example, I may have created a project record, but not yet created any milestones or actions for it. But I do know a few other projects that I can copy over the milestones from, so I can go into the Milestone Loader for this project and load in the relevant milestones from each project and the actions, the contributors, and the checklist items. Let's see where we can access the Milestone Loader and how we can use it. We can access the Milestone Loader from the Overview tab on the Project Overview page using the Load button on the right over here. Before we do that, let's see the projects we're going to be copying over the milestones from. In this first project, I'm going to be taking all three milestones, including the actions, but not the checklist items or the contributors. In this second project, I'm going to be taking only the review milestone, including the actions, checklist items, as well as contributors. So let's get started. Edit us, select all, and I'm gonna leave the date for today. It's gonna calculate the forecast end date automatically, and just gonna leave these empty. And this last checkbox, run asynchronously, it's gonna run this process for you in the background as to prevent any Salesforce governance limits being reached. And this is good for when you have lots of data being loaded in at once. But since I only have 3 milestones and a few actions, it shouldn't be a problem. As you can see, I didn't click on the contributors or the checklist, and which is why I didn't copy over any contributors over here. And now let's load in the last milestone that we need. Review. I'm going to change the date to 4th of July, and it should automatically calculate it. And I'm going to clone this and this as well. Load. As you can see, it has cloned the checklist items as well as the contributors. Thank you for listening in. Please do check out some of the resources mentioned here, and feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions.